Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix video driver debug report request BSOD error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is update your display adapter driver, graphics card driver. Right click on the start button and choose device manager. And here go to your display adapter section, expand it. Right click on your display adapter. And choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. You may check this drives is working properly or not. Right click on the same and choose properties, and you will find a message the device is working properly. If you found any error, then uninstall this driver and reinstall a fresh. Restart your system. Automatically this driver will be installed on your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose save. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Here click on check for updates, and if you find any available updates, download and install it in your system. Thereafter click on advanced options, and here scroll down and choose optional updates, and if any optional update available, download and install it in your system. And after that, check whether your BSOD blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute first these three DISM tool as shown on a screen one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And once completed, execute the command sfc scan now. This command will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So after executing DISM tool and sfc scan now command, restart your system and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here from the top right corner under viewed by category, choose large icons, and here look for the option power option. Open power option. Here from the left side of control panel windows, click on choose what the power button does. Click on it. Thereafter click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this link, and here make sure that shutdown settings turn on fast startup unchecked. If you found it enabled, then disable turn on fast startup, and click on save changes and check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type Windows memory diagnostic and open Windows memory diagnostic tools. There may be a chances of any memory related issues in your system, so check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working, so choose restart now and check for problems recommended. Follow on screen instruction to run the Windows memory diagnostic tool, and after that don't forget to restart your system. Your blue screen error definitely be resolved.